This is a young embryo, and we're trying to induce hatching using epoxy water. The experiment was try to make them whole, and then after the first rupture, we displace them to make them miss the hole and see what happened. If they are able to make another hole, or what happened there.
Meaning you kind of push them off to the side?
Yeah, we push the head from because they usually try to make the hole using the snout, so that we push the head far away from the hole and just wait. So we found that only the youngest ones, the very youngest ones, the very baby embryos, are unable to make another hole, but they change very quick in development. So for the next stage, they are able to make 2 holes.
And those holes are R1 and R2?
Yeah. R1 is rupture 1 and R2 rupture 2. Yeah. So, but we make the same experiments of the displacement across ages. So from 3 days to 5 days to see what happens. So for 3 days and early 4 days, we use epoxy water to induce hatching. Then when they are able to use mechanosensory cues to feel, we use the jiggling. So it's another way to induce hatching. If after 30 minutes they are unable to make another hole, we rescue.